products right now. The Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I use that every day. I use that on clients all the time. It's like such a versatile palette for me. The Makeup Forever Ultra HD Stick Foundation. I'm wearing that right now. I'm obsessed with it. I feel like it gives me such an airbrushed finish. My last one. That's tricky.
It's a tricky one.
I'm gonna say my Carly Bible palette by BH Cosmetics. And that's like a kind of, a lot of people are like, really? Like, it's so cheap, like BH Cosmetics, but I use that every day to highlight. So it's super affordable, and I use it, I've gone through 2 palettes just highlighting. I don't really use the eyeshadow part of it, but I highlight it with my every single day. So
yeah.
Those are,
I've seen that palette. It is destroyed.
It's destroyed.
It's destroyed.
It's not cute.
I think for me, I'm going to give a lash, a concealer, and a lip. I think those are the most important things you could possibly bring or have with you. Concealer would be Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. By far the best. That's all I'm wearing on my face today is just Tarte.
Concealer?
That's it, just concealer. So it does a really good job. Ardell Wispy Lashes, I've learned those work on everybody. Like if you're doing clients, that's your, those are your go-to. You need those in your life. And for lip, I am obsessed with Kylie Cosmetics. I work with them, they're great, and I've been featured on their page multiple times because I'm just obsessed. I love the brand. I think their brand is really good quality stuff. It's a little bit more expensive, but sometimes you gotta splurge for what you want a little bit. Sometimes it's important. So I love
Glam Master airs February 28th on Lifetime TV. So that is the premiere of the show, but again, everybody is on different episodes. So there is 6 episodes of different artists, and then if you make it on your episode, then you'll go to the semifinals, and then if you make that, then you'll go to the finals. So you can see me on March 28th. That is my episode, the 5th episode.
And mine's going to be episode 2, which is going to be on March 7th. And it's on at 10 p.m., so we're really excited. We hope that you guys tune in. Yeah, it's a really amazing show, and we can't wait for you guys to watch.
Yeah.